Good day to you all. Welcome to Maths Global Learning Hub at Mr. T. In today's lesson, we're going to look at numerical reduction with negative angles. In number 1, we are given tan of negative 97 degrees. When we have negative angles, we must always add 360 first. 360 degrees. And if we do that, we are going to get tan of 263 degrees. And if I look at the angle that I have now, I can see that this angle is in the third quadrant. And in the third quadrant, I can rewrite it as but in the third quadrant, tan is positive. So my final answer is going to be, if I move on to the next one, I can also see that I have a negative angle here. So my first step, I must add 360 degrees. And if I add 360 degrees, I'm going to get sine of 252 degrees. And if I look at this angle here, I can see that it is in quadrant 3. And in quadrant 3, I can write this as and then after that, I need to write down my final answer. And my final answer is going to be why negative? Because in quadrant number 3, sine is negative. And I move on to the next one. I can also give a negative angle here. So my first step, I must add 360 degrees. And if I do that, I'm going to get cos of 160 degrees. And 160 degrees is an angle that is in the second quadrant. And I can rewrite it as and my final answer is going to be negative cos 20 degrees, because in the second quadrant, cos is negative. If I move on to the next question, I'm also given a negative angle here. So my first step, I should add 360 degrees. And if I do that, I'm going to get sine of 40 degrees. And if I look at this answer that I have here, I can see that 40 degrees is an angle that is between 0 and 90 degrees. So there's no need for me to do the reduction because the angle is acute.